If you want to connect your Apple AirPods to your Samsung phone, so first of all, on our Samsung phone, open up our settings, find Connections tab, Bluetooth, and make sure to turn it on. Great. After that, grab your AirPods, open up the lid. Now turn them over, and here you'll see this button. Now let's press it and hold it until the light in our AirPods will start blinking with the white color. It means they're in the pairing mode. Now on our Samsung phone, let's press scan at the top right corner and let's wait until it will detect the AirPods. Alright, here they are. So find AirPods in your available devices. Confirm your choice by pressing pair, and basically that's it. Now we paired our AirPods to our Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.